Assalamu alaikum. This is part 3 of Masjidul Aqsa, the construction of the third temple, the Dajjal's deception, and a wake-up call from Muslim Ummah. Brothers and sisters, have you ever watched a movie where there's a huge towering figure that appears in front of a crowd? एक figure जो इतना real लगता है, इतना realistic लगता है, इतना lifelike लगता है कि for a second you forget that it's just technology. ये चीज़ आपने काफी Hollywood movies में देखी होगी, like The Hunger Games में, like Divergent में.
Hello. I come from outside the wall. We believe it is the only way. We've allowed you to believe that you're the last us.
That right there is Blu-ray and holographic technology. Randomly, why am I talking about Blu-ray technology? Let me tell you. This technology right here is being perfected, refined, and developed because it is going to play a very huge role in the deception, one of the deceptions of Dajjal. Now, how will that happen? I want you all to think about it. Dajjal जो है ना, he's not going to appear in some old-fashioned way. बस एक दिन आएगा कैसे चलता हुआ Dajjal आ जाएगा. That's not how it's gonna go. Dajjal's entire fitna is built on deception, illusions, and manipulation. ये जो Blu-ray और holographic technology है, ये allow करती है massive 3-dimensional figures to appear anywhere, in the sky, on the streets, in the stadiums, in your house, everywhere and anywhere. And these realistic holographic projections are speaking, moving, and even addressing people as if they're really there. Now, what I want you to imagine is a figure appearing over entire cities, talking to millions at once, convincing them with visuals that look absolutely real. Yes, our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself has told us that Dajjal is going to perform such miracles or wonders that people will not be able to distinguish between truth and falsehood. इस चीज से कुछ आपके दिमाग में आता है? AI, artificial intelligence, on how it's being used, how we're being desensitized. I will talk about this inshallah in the next part. But for now, let's focus on the Blu-ray holographic technology. और हम में से कुछ लोगों को at least ये realization जरूर हो रही है कि we are living in the door of fitna. And what better tool in today's world there is than this very technology where a line between reality and illusion is literally being erased in front of our eyes. आप imagine करेंगे पूरी दुनिया में chaos फैला हुआ है, लोग इधर उधर भाग रहे हैं, confused हैं, are fearful, और फिर एकदम से an enormous figure appears right in front of them, glowing, speaking to them and telling them to follow him. And people are seeing it with their own eyes, they're recording it, they're sharing it on social media. And the entire world, at least 80% of the world believes that this is something very supernatural, very divine. But in reality, it is nothing more than a deception created to serve the agenda of Dajjal. और एक चीज मैं आप लोगों को clearly बता दूं, with this, what I'm talking about isn't a random experiment in the basement. The world's most powerful nations are pouring billions and billions of dollars into this technology. जिसमें हमारे पास forefront पे United States, Israel, South Korea, China और Japan आ जाता है. These countries are literally racing to create technology that is very lifelike, 3-dimensional, and so real, human eye won't be able to tell a difference between what is real and what is fake. Foundation of ushering Dajjal is being laid in front of our eyes, and we are choosing to be blind. As we all know that Dajjal's fitna is going to reach every corner of the earth besides Makkah and Medina. How is that going to happen? Obviously, through technology. This is one of the greatest and the most horrifying fitna that humanity will ever face.